failed to identify themselves to me or their business here. They've reported me and my car, and they're reporting everyone leaving the premises. I'd be more than happy to stay here and wait. There are two gentlemen here with very nice looking cameras and pretending to be official, doing official business. They've got little intercoms and they're pretending to be officials of some sort. That I could help in the pursuit of these people being terminated. I'd be more than happy to sit here and wait for an officer to corroborate when these people harassing us.
So it's been a while since I've gone out shooting with Night Watch POV, as most of you that know him know that he shoots almost primarily at night. We figured we were long overdue and I wanted to try my fairly new DSLR and new microphone setup. So one of the locations that we went to was the FedEx over at the Burbank airport. And for those of you familiar with my channel, remember what happened the first time that I showed up there about 2 years ago. So back in September of 2017, when I first started my channel, I had my first of many encounters at Burbank Airport. It was a complete PR nightmare for the airport police. I was simply taking stock footage of airplanes taking off, nothing more. And as we know, since 9/11, everybody's been deputized. Here's a guy, an employee from FedEx, who's pointing me out and calling airport police on me, and here is the encounter that unfolded.
Name and badge number, please.
Why don't you show me your ID? What's the big deal? Why you're being so confrontational?
Quit resisting. Stop resisting, officer. Why don't you give me your name and your badge number? You cannot impede my movement, sir.
I have a question for you.
You're
now.
being live streamed on the internet.
For you, sir.
You're being live streamed on the internet, sir.
For you, sir.
I don't care. Take it.
I have a question for you. This is the airport, and for security reasons, we need to know why you're out here filming. If you give me a good reason, I'll let you go. If you give me a good reason, I'll let you go. Supervisor's right down the street here, sir. If you want to wait, he'll be here in a minute.
It's fine. There he is there.
He'll be coming right here to talk to you. He'll be coming right up here to talk to you, sir.
You cannot impede my travel, sir.
Sir, right
you
now
cannot,
you just battered me by hitting me in the face.
You cannot impede my travel, sir.
You understand?
No, you don't understand.
We care about, focus in on it, get it nice and tight. You got it?
Right.
We care about people wanting to do harm to the aviation community.
Okay.
You ever heard of 9/11?
For fuck's sake! I was wondering when that was going to come up.
Well, it came up right now. We have
and
no problem.
And that's all we've asked him to do.
Right. Listen, we have no problem with people taking pictures.
Sure you do. Why do you think there's 3-4 cop cars here?
There's probably 3 to 4 cop cars here because you're being unreasonable.
My wife says the same thing.
Well, you know what? We have a duty. We're bound by a duty to investigate everything.
You're bound by an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States. So does your duty trump the Constitution of the United States?
Yeah.
You're bound by an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States. So does your duty trump the Constitution of the United States?
Yeah.
So am I being detained now or am I free to go? Sergeant, am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go? That's a yes or a no. Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You give me 1 minute so I can check.
No, I'm asking a simple question here. I know you can multitask.
Safety, yeah, and you're going to hold on.
Am I being detained?
For a minute.
Under suspicion of what crime? Can you articulate? Start Googling. No, I'll stand right here. Thank you.
So here we are, current day, July 31st, 2020. We're back at the scene of the crime. I have been back to this place at least a half a dozen times, and they have learned their lesson. Here's a perfect example of how somebody should act when there's a camera on them. Look at that guy. Employee of the month right there, FedEx. Dancing, posing. Just wait till you hear the use of language on the TI that we meet shortly.
Is that Gallagher inside the building?
I know, dude.
You got
He's got the Neil Peart 1978 Hemispheres mustache.
Yes.
He'd almost get hit, dude. Comes out and does 5 miles an hour.
It's funny.
Yes, I can hear you.
Unfortunately.
So what's up? Before I report you to the police, what's up?
Don't say anything else.
Okay.
Yeah, let's... So I don't know what's more disturbing with Mr. See Something, Say Something. The disturbing grin on his face, the false police report he's about to phone in, or the condition of his windows.
Somebody ought to clean these windows. There is a tremendous buildup of gook all over them. Look at that.
We've got a Lone Eagle here. Use Plan 66.
We got a TI, did a U-turn. You can hear us. We had a TI holding up traffic.
Hey, please explain your business
He's
to me
Captain.
before I
He's a
talk
Captain. Captain Saberhall.
Hi,
So,
my office here is last of speed in the Burbank Airport. They failed to identify themselves to me or their business here. They reported me, my car, and they reported everyone leaving the premises. I am a FedEx employee. I'm coming out of the FedEx American. I'd be more than happy to stay here and wait. There are two gentlemen here with very nice looking cameras and pretending to be official, doing official business.
Yeah, I've never seen a shittier one of these cars.
They've got little intercoms and they're pretending to be officials of some sort. This guy's
Yeah, it looks like he washed it, but it's real shitty looking.
he washed the car once in 1987 when he first bought it.
I mean,
Sir, you can't polish a turd.
Any way that I could help in the pursuit of these people being terminated, that would be, I'd be more than happy to sit here and wait for an officer to corroborate when these people harassing us.
Yeah, hub capture 4 lugs. Walmart, gotta be Walmart. Judge Walker.
Good night.
Captain Saberhall for the win. Blocking the driveway. That's a violation. 6BBF423. So we wander around for another few minutes, and then a police unit does wind up coming out. They do not make contact with us. And trust me, if they know who I am, they want nothing to do with me. Here's a little clip that I did with Monkey 83 and Furry from March of 2018. Check this out.
nuggets?
Hey, what are you doing?
Just park.
Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you doing?
Just reading a couple papers.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm sorry.
Can you search your vehicle? I think you might have drugs in there.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're working, or are you sure, or did we
not,
catch you slacking off here?
Not slacking off. That's for darn sure. Have a good one.
Okay. What's your name and your serial number, please?
My name is Bob Camarillo.
Bob Camarillo. Can you tell me is John Dohle still employed?
I believe so.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Okay.
Saucedo, he's still a sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wow. That's.
I'm sorry, can you keep both hands on the steering wheel?
Yeah.
I can see them, please?
Well.
What about Officer Massa? Does he feel bad that he killed Emil Mediterrano and let him bleed out after the North Hollywood Bank of America shootout? He was one of the 4 SWAT team members that let him bleed out.
Then, a direct hit by police. The suspect has fired his final shot.
I really couldn't answer.
Like a pig, like a dog. We treat dogs better than that. You know that, right?
Have a good day, guys.
Yeah. Okay. Get back to work. Get back to work.
10 and 2, sir.
Back to work.
As always, please leave your comments below of how this FedEx employee did or anybody else in this video.